Welcome to the Empowerment 888 channel. How to reprogram your mind for success in 30 days. The truth. You're not being told. What if I told you that the key to unlocking your ultimate success isn't out there, it's already inside your mind? Yes, the one tool you carry with you every day. Your mind has the power to completely reshape your future. But most people never learn how to use it. They live on autopilot, stuck in habits and thoughts that sabotage their own potential. The real reason most people never achieve greatness: they've never been taught how to think like the successful. Today, that changes and your new journey begins. In the next 30 days, you'll not only shift your thinking, but transform your reality completely. You're about to become the architect of your future, one thought at a time. So buckle up, because once your mind is reprogrammed, there's no going back. Day 1 to 3, break the pattern of negativity. Your brain is a sponge and it soaks up negativity like a thirsty desert. From news headlines to toxic social media posts, your subconscious is being fed doubt and fear daily. The first step in reprogramming your mind is awareness. You must catch those limiting beliefs the moment they sneak in. Every negative thought leaves an imprint on your behavior, often without your consent. But when you begin challenging them, you reclaim your power and direct your mental narrative. Track your negative patterns and question their origin. This is where the unlearning begins. A mind ruled by fear can never lead to freedom. Replace complaints with curiosity, and you'll begin to rewire your perception entirely. Day 4 to 6, detox from doubt. Doubt is the silent killer of ambition. It creeps in, paralyzes your dreams, and convinces you they're too big to chase. To counter it, you must actively cleanse your mental environment. Eliminate people, habits, and content that feed insecurity. Replace those gaps with empowering messages, content, and daily rituals that reinforce confidence. Remember, doubt thrives in silence, so speak loudly through your actions and drown it out with courage. Affirm your worth every day until your subconscious starts to believe it. The louder your belief, the weaker your doubt becomes. Doubt doesn't vanish overnight, but discipline can strangle it over time. Speak your goals out loud until they no longer scare you, but inspire you. Day 7 to 9. Rebuild your inner dialogue. Every thought you have is a conversation with your future, so what are you saying? Most people engage in destructive self-talk without realizing it. But if your internal voice is your constant companion, it better speak power. Positive self-talk isn't about delusion, it's about direction. With each empowering word, you reshape your mental blueprint. Speak like a winner, think like a warrior, and act like a leader, because that's who you're becoming. Make your inner voice the loudest supporter in the room. Rewriting your narrative is the first brick in your mental empire. Thoughts become things, and your language creates reality. Speak success into your mornings and watch your nights transform. Day 10 to 12, visualize to materialize. Athletes do it. CEOs do it. High performers visualize success before it happens, because your brain believes what you show it. Close your eyes and imagine the version of you who's already succeeded. See the details. Feel the emotions. Hear the victory. This process primes your subconscious to start finding opportunities to turn that vision into reality. Visualization is not daydreaming, it's the rehearsal room of champions. Do this every morning like clockwork. Your brain will start navigating life as if the success has already happened. The mind can't distinguish between imagination and memory. Use that to your advantage. Paint your future so clearly in your mind that the universe has no choice but to follow. Day 13 to 15, rewire with micro wins. Success isn't a leap, it's a staircase, and every step matters. During this phase, you'll train your brain to crave progress by celebrating micro wins. These could be waking up early, finishing a task, or saying no to a bad habit. These micro-victories become stepping stones that lead you toward larger milestones. Over time, they compound and shift your entire identity from someone who hopes to someone who executes. Micro-wins build momentum faster than major goals. Every small win is a new brick in your foundation of self-belief. Momentum is more powerful than motivation. It creates evidence that you're becoming unstoppable. Keep stacking those wins until self-doubt has no space left to breathe. Day 16 to 18, build a success ritual. The most successful people don't rely on motivation, they rely on rituals. A success ritual is a daily routine that primes your brain and body for greatness. It could include journaling, meditation, exercise, or reading empowering content. When rituals become automatic, your results follow suit. Your body will crave these rituals just like a habit, and soon, success becomes your default mode. Rituals bring structure to chaos and rhythm to transformation. The right morning routine can flip your entire day on its head in the best way. Create non-negotiables that align with your vision and protect them fiercely. Rituals are the spiritual armor of the committed mind. Day 19 to 21, anchor your future identity. If you want to change your life, you must change your identity first. Ask yourself, who do I need to become to live my dream life? Then start acting like that person today. When your actions reflect your future, your mind starts syncing with that reality. You're not faking it, you're rehearsing it. The gap between who you are and who you want to be closes with every aligned decision you make. Success isn't a mask you wear, it's a mirror you create and step into. Own the identity before the success shows up. Identity isn't about who you were, it's about who you choose to be, moment by moment. Day 22 to 24, upgrade your circle. Your environment will either program your mind for greatness or mediocrity. There's no in-between. Audit your circle. Who lifts you? Who drains you? Who challenges you to be better? Energy is contagious, and the people you spend the most time with shape your subconscious beliefs. Surround yourself with those who already live where you want to go, and let their mindset elevate yours. Proximity is power. Get closer to the fire of greatness, and you'll start burning too. The right circle speaks your future into existence before it even happens. Find people who speak growth fluently, and your mindset will begin echoing that frequency daily. Day 25 to 27. Embrace discomfort. Like a warrior, growth never comes wrapped in comfort. It arrives in the form of resistance. Your brain's default setting is to avoid pain, but success lives on the other side of discomfort. When you lean into discomfort, you teach your mind that pain is a path to progress. Resistance becomes a signpost that you're headed in the right direction. Discomfort isn't your enemy, it's your initiation. Every time you step out of your comfort zone, you're reprogramming your limits. Learn to chase what feels hard. It's a compass for expansion. The more resistance you feel, the closer you are to your next breakthrough. Day 28 to 30. Lock in the new you. The final step isn't just about sustaining change. It's about becoming unrecognizable to your past self. Reflect on who you were 30 days ago and compare it to who you are now. The shift isn't just mental, it's emotional, physical, and spiritual. Lock in your new self through consistent habits, unwavering confidence, and clarity of vision. You didn't just reprogram your mind, you rebuilt your life blueprint. Growth doesn't happen in giant leaps. It happens when who you are no longer fits in the shell of who you were. The new you isn't temporary, it's your standard. Cement this transformation with pride and persistence. Your old self should never feel like home again. This is your new normal. You've just completed 30 days of inner transformation, rewiring your brain for unstoppable success. You've silenced doubt, broken cycles, built rituals, and stepped into your future identity. Most people will never take this journey, but you did. And now, nothing can stop you. This isn't the end, it's the beginning of your limitless potential. Your thoughts create your world, and now you know how to master them. Carry this blueprint with you daily and teach others by example. You've become living proof that mindset truly changes everything. Thanks for being part of this journey to reprogram your mind for success. If you found this powerful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more life-changing content that fuels your growth every single week.